Hello student, good morning. Today we will study It So Happen first chapter How the Camel Got His Hump. And this chapter is written by Rudyard Kipling. The world had just begun and the animals were working for humans. अभी अभी ही दुनिया की शुरुआत हुई थी और एनिमल्स जो थे वो इंसानों के लिए काम करते थे. There were one lazy animal that did nothing and said, but humph. One lazy animal was there. It didn't nothing. It didn't work. But only one word he used to say, and that word is humph. Even the clever Jinn was at his wits' end. और उसका एंड कौन लेकर आता है? क्लेवर जिन. जिन हमको सबको पता है कि क्या जिन होता है. In the beginning, when the world was new and the animals were just beginning to work for man, there were a camel and he lived in the middle of a howling desert because he did not want to work. The camel was living in the howling desert. Why he was living there? He was living there because he was lazy and he did not want to work for the human being. Other animals were doing, but camel was not doing, and that is why he was living in the middle of the desert. He ate sticks and thorn and prickles, and when anybody spoke to him, he said humph, just humph and no more. He used to eat stick, thorn, prickles. Prickles means कांटेदार जो shrubs आती है वो खाता. And whoever go to him, whoever मतलब कोई भी उसके पास जाता, whoever goes to him, he used to say one word humph. सिर्फ एक ही शब्द बोलता और वो वर्ड था humph. Presently the horse came to him one Monday morning with a saddle on his back and said, Camel, oh camel, come out and trot like the rest of us. Camel came to the horse. Saddler मतलब उसके पीठ पर सेडलर था और वो केमल को कहता है कि कम एंड वर्क एंड ट्रोट लाइक अस. ट्रोट मीन्स वर्क, मीडियम पे, ट्रोट मीन्स मीडियम पेस, कि हमारी तरह तू भी आ और हमारी तरह तू भी वर्क कर. मीडियम पेस मतलब थोड़ा धीरे धीरे चलकर उसके पास आता है और बोलता है कि कम एंड वर्क लाइक अस, कि तू भी हमारे साथ आ और हमारी तरह काम कर. Humph, said the camel, and the horse went away and told the man. Here, camel said that humph, and he did not work for the man. He was not ready to work for the man. So, the horse went to the man. Presently, the dog came to him with a stick in his mouth. You can see in the picture also. There is a camel and dog. There is a stick in its mouth. And said, now dog said to the camel, Camel, oh camel, come and fetch and carry like the rest of us. He said that, come and ferry and carry the things like us. Humph, said the camel, and the dog went away and told the man. And this time also camel said that humph and nothing. So the dog went to the man. Presently the ox came to him with the yoke on his neck and said, Camel, O camel, come and plow like the rest of us. Yoke means जो ox होती है उसको जब फार्म में चलाते तो उस पर ये योक रखकर उस पर प्लाउ रखते हैं. So it went to the camel and said the camel to work like them. Humph, said the camel, and ox went away and told the man. Here the same reply from the camel. The reply was humph only. At the end of the day, the man called the horse and the dog and the ox together and said, 303, I am very sorry for you. Here the man called the three animals और उसको कहते हैं कि he is very sorry for them. But that humph thing in the desert can't work, or he would have been here by now. So I am going to leave him alone, and you must work double time to make up for it. Man, said the three animals, that he is leaving the camel alone in the desert. he will not give him work, but instead of him, these three animals have to do the double work. Because he wanted to make up for it मतलब उसका काम तो चलाना पड़ेगा, इसलिए उसको डबल वर्क मिला. That made the three very angry. Three means कौन? Ox, horse and dog became very angry because man ने उसको डबल वर्क दे दिया. So these three became very angry and they held a पंचायत. अब उसने पंचायत एक रची. On the edge of the desert, where it was held? On the edge of the desert, the panchayat was held, and the camel came chewing curd and laughed at them. Then he said, "Humph," and went away again. The camel came. He was chewing the curd and laughing at these three animals and said, "Humph," and went away. इस पर हंसता है, humph बोलकर चला जाता है. Presently there came along the jinn who was the charge of the desert, rolling in the cloud of dust. अब पूरी डेजर्ट का चार्ज किसके पास था? जिन के पास. सो ही केम देयर. जब आता है तब पूरा डस्ट होता है, वो पूरा रोलिंग हो जाता है और उस पर जिन बैठकर आता है. एज ही वॉज द इंचार्ज ऑफ द डेजर्ट. So, when the jinn present there, Jinn of all desert, said the horse, "It is right for anyone to be idle." क्या इस किसी के लिए idle होना, idle means lazy होना, सही बात है? Certainly not, said the jinn. Jinn said that, not at all. Well, said the horse, there is a thing in the middle of your desert with a long neck and long legs, and he hasn't done a stroke of work since Monday morning. He will not trot. Here, horse complained that there is a thing which is living in the middle of the desert, and that animal has long neck and long legs, and he was doing nothing and just saying the humph, and he didn't work since Monday morning. Well, व्यू शेड द जिन whistling बजाते हुए कहा कि व्यू. दैट्स माई खेमल. वॉट डज ही से अबाउट इट? हियर जिन उसको पहचान जाता है कि कौन है. उसने कहा कि ओ दैट्स माई खेमल. क्या कहा उसके बारे में? ही सेज हम्फ एंड ही विल नॉट प्लाउ, सेड द ओक्स. ओक्स ने भी कंप्लेन किया कि उसने क्या कहा? ओनली वन वर्ड ही स्पोक एंड दैट वर्ड इज हम्फ. वेरी गुड, सेड द जिन. आई विल हम्फ हिम इफ यू विल kindly wait a minute. Here Jinn said that if they wait for a minute, he will give him humph. उसको वो humph करेगा. The Jinn rolled himself up in his dust cloak and took a walk across the desert and found the camel looking at its own reflection in true pool of water. So here Jinn went and took a round in the desert. He saw that the camel was looking himself in the water. He was looking his reflection into the water. My friend, said the Jinn, what's this I hear of you doing no work? Here he asked the camel, that I have heard that you are doing nothing. The Jinn sat down with his chin in his hand. You can see in the picture there is a Jinn and his hand is up at his chin, while the camel looked at his own reflection into the pool of water, and the camel was looking himself into the water. He was looking his reflection into the water. You have given the 3 extra work ever since Monday morning, all on account of your idleness, said the Jinn, and he went on thinking with his chin in his hand. Jinn said that he has to do the extra work that he hadn't done since Monday morning. Monday morning से वर्क नहीं किया है तो वो वर्क उसको करना पड़ेगा. Humph, said the camel. Camel अभी भी क्या बोला? Humph. I shouldn't say that again if I were you, said the Jinn. Jinn said that if he were the place of camel, he should not say that word. You might say it once too often. I want you to work. Jinn said that He wanted him to do the work, and the camel said humph again. But no sooner had he said it than he showed his back, that he was so proud of, puffing up into a great big hump. जब ये दुनिया बनी थी तब केमल की हम्फ थी नहीं, एंड ही हैड अ प्राउड ऑन हिज बैक. जैसे ही उसने हम्फ कहा तो उसकी बैक पर थोड़ा पफिंग होता गया और बिग हम्प बन गया. डू यू सी दैट, सेड द जिन. दैट्स योर वेरी ओन हम्प दैट यू हैव ब्रोट अपॉन योर वेरी ओन सेल्फ बाय नॉट वर्किंग. हियर जिन had given him a hump. Why he had given him a hump? As he was not doing the work since Monday morning, and he was saying hump again and that is why he got the puffing back. Today is Thursday and you have done no work since Monday when the work began. Now you are going to work. उसने कहा कि मंडे से तुझे वर्क दिया था, तूने नहीं किया है और आज थर्सडे है. That day was the Thursday and he has to do the work. How can I, said the camel, with this hump on my back. उसने कहा कि मेरी बैक पर तो ये हम्प है, तो मैं कैसे काम करूँगा. That has a purpose, said the Jinn. All because you missed those 3 days. Jinn said that he had missed 3 days' work, and that is why there is a purpose to give him hump. You will be able to work now for 3 days without eating, because you can live on your hump. And you don't ever say I never did anything for you. Come out of the desert and go to the tree and behave. उसने कहा कि he hadn't done work and that is why he has to do work without eating the food, and this hump will help him. कि 3 दिन तक खाना नहीं खाएगा but he will have the energy. उसने कहा कि अब जाओ तीनों के पास और उसके साथ अच्छे से पेश आओ. And the camel went away to join the 3. From that day he had joined the 3 animals, ox, horse, dog. And from that day to this the camel always wear a hump. We call it hump now, and to hurt his feelings. But he has never yet caught up with the 3 days that he missed at the beginning of the world, and he has never yet learned how to behave. Finally he got the hump as he missed his 3 days work. But still there is something that camel hadn't learned, that how to behave with others. उसको हम तो मिल गया लेकिन अभी तक उसको किसी के साथ कैसे पेश किया जाए, how to behave with others, he yet not learned. Comprehension check. Question 1. What task do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? Task means work. The dog was assigned the task of fetching and carrying sticks, while ox was assigned the task of plowing. Question number 2. Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The answer is the camel lived in the middle of the desert because it did not want to work. It ate sticks, thorns and prickles, and when anybody spoke to it, it said humph and nothing more. Question 3. What made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? क्यों गुस्से में आ जाते हैं 3 एनिमल? The man told the dog, the horse and the ox that since the camel cannot work, he would leave it alone, and the 3 of them would have to work double time to make up for the work not done by the camel. This made the 3 of them very angry. उसका काम, camel का काम इन तीनों को मिला, and that is why these 3 animals became angry. Question number 4. How did the jinn know the horse was complaining against the camel? जिन को कैसे पता चला कि horse जो है camel की ही complain कर रहा है? The jinn knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because he was the in charge of all the desert and knew about everything happening in relation to his desert. वो in charge था, इसीलिए उसको पता था कि कौन कैसा है और इसीलिए उसको पता चल गया. Comprehension check 2, question 1. The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel? क्या हमको suggest करता है जब वो अपने आप reflection को water में देख रहा था? And the answer is, the camel's looking at his own reflection in the pool shows that he was proud of his appearance, especially his back. He liked admiring himself. जैसे अपने आप को रिफ्लेक्शन को देख रहा था, he was admiring himself because he liked his appearance. उसको अपना दिखावा जो था वो पसंद था, उसका जो लुक था वो पसंद था. पहले उसके बैक पर हम्प नहीं था, and that is why he was looking himself into the water and praising his appearance. Question 2. The camel said humph repeatedly. How did it affect him? कैसे उस पर अफेक्ट यानी बुरा असर हुआ? When the camel said humph repeatedly, despite the jinn's warning, his back puffed up and to a big hump. जैसे कि जिन ने कहा कि उसको उसका वर्क करना पड़ेगा, फिर भी उसने रिपीटेडली जब हम्प बोला, so he get the puffed his back got puffed and become a big hump there. Question 3. What according to jinn was the use of hump? The jinn assured the camel that this hump would not create a problem for him while working. Since the camel had skipped work for 3 days, skip किया था ना वर्क उसका 3 दिन का, he could live on his hump and would be able to work for 3 days without eating. This means that the hump was a kind of food reserve. ये उसके लिए एनर्जी का सोर्स बना रहेगा और hump will help him to do the work without eating the food for few days. He has never yet learned to behave. In the light of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? कि उसने behavior अच्छे से सीखा नहीं, तो राइटर का ओपिनियन क्या है यहाँ पर? According to the writer, the camel is still a very lazy animal that is unwilling to वर्क. अनविलिंग मतलब इच्छा नहीं होती उसकी काम करने की और थोड़ा लेजी है. आफ्टर ही गोट द हम्प, द जिन आस्क्ड हिम टू गो आउट ऑफ द वर्क ऑफ द डेजर्ट टू हेल्प द अदर 3 animals. It seems that the camel still did not behave himself and worked lazily in the desert itself. It is for this reason that he was still unable to complete the pending work of those 3 missed days, and he continued to carry the hump and living in the desert. कि आज भी ये वर्तमान काल में भी केमल जो है वो डेजर्ट में रहता है. तो ऑथर यहाँ पर ये कहना चाहते हैं कि आज भी वो लेजी है और डेजर्ट में रह रहा है, इसीलिए उसने कभी भी he didn't learn how to behave with the other animals. So student, you have to write this comprehension check 1 and comprehension check 2 question and answer that I explain for you here with the answer. मैंने आंसर के साथ एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, आपको आपकी होमवर्क बुक में लिखने हैं. रीड द चैप्टर, और कोई भी वोकेबुलरी आपके लिए अननोन है तो आप क्लास वर्क में लिख लेना. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.